Singapore is to delay a planned GST increase due to current economic conditions. And when that increase does happen, likely by the year 2025, Singaporeans will get some help. Families will also get more immediate support in the form of a $1.6 billion care and support package to deal with the present economic uncertainty. Cheryl Goh reports.
Singaporeans will not feel the full impact of the GST hike when it kicks in by 2025. That's because the new $6 billion assurance package will help to buffer the increase. Under this, every adult Singaporean will get a cash payout of between $700 and $1,600 over 5 years. Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister Heng Swee Keat said the majority of Singaporean households will receive offsets to cover at least 5 years' worth of additional GST expenses they may incur.
Lower income households will receive much more. Those living in 1 to 3 room HDB flats will receive offsets equivalent to about 10 years' worth of additional GST expenses.
The assurance package is in addition to the existing GST voucher scheme for lower to middle income Singaporeans, which Mr. Heng said will also be enhanced when the GST is raised. In the nearer term, Singaporeans will receive more immediate help with daily expenses. The $1.6 billion care and support package is meant to ease pressures caused by the economic slowdown and the COVID-19 outbreak. Under this package, all Singaporeans aged 21 and up will get a one-time cash payout of between $100 and $300 this year, depending on their income. Parents with children aged below 20 years will receive an additional $100 each, while seniors will get a $100 top-up on their Passion card, which can be used to pay for groceries and activities. Singaporeans will also continue to benefit from existing schemes to help with living expenses. These include YouSave rebates, which will be doubled, an additional 20% payout under the Workfare Income Supplement scheme, as well as rebates for service and conservancy charges.
I will also help needy Singaporeans more directly. They will receive grocery vouchers worth $100 each year in 2020 and 2021 for use at major supermarkets. This directly helps needy households with one of their major cost of living items, food.
On top of these, a $10 million grant will be given to self-help groups, which support vulnerable families over 2 years, and another $20 million to community development councils. Students from low-income families will also receive more help. They'll enjoy higher transport subsidies, and those in secondary school will get higher school meal subsidies too. And that's not all.
We will enhance the MOE Financial Assistance Scheme by raising the annual bursary quantum for pre-university students from $900 to $1,000. The Enhanced Financial Assistance Scheme will cost an additional $9 million per year, or a total of $52 million per year.
Full-time students at the Institute of Technical Education will also benefit from higher bursaries this year, after similar enhancements were recently announced for those pursuing a diploma or degree. Mr. Heng said these are on top of education subsidies that are provided to all Singaporeans.